I'm going to show you how to use AI to become a more productive student. Whether you're in high school, college, or even studying online, these tips will help you get straight A's. First, use tools like Notion AI, Google Calendar, or Todoist to stay organized. ChatGPT can help you prioritize tasks and break down big assignments into smaller ones. Next, try using Quizlet, ChatGPT, and a Pomodoro app to make studying more efficient. You can use ChatGPT to generate flashcards and summarize difficult topics. Then, use ChatGPT to help you write better essays and fix your grammar. Just paste in your assignment and let ChatGPT do the rest. Finally, use Perplexity AI to research faster. It gives you quick answers with citations in seconds. Try it out today. Remember, AI won't do your homework for you, but it can help you get it done faster and stress less. Subscribe for more tips.